How you doing, everybody? Today I'm gonna review my Instasmile impression. I've never done this before, but this is a review of my Instasmile I just received today. And if you can look, this is before. See, one of my top, teeth had been taken out, so I got with Instasmile. They saved me. So I never opened a box. This is my first time. You and myself. First time seeing me opening it. The box and seeing what it's all about. So let's see what it's all about. So they saved me a little pretty box here. Originally it was in a plastic envelope, but pretty nice. Takes a while for me to open this box. Trying to work around these edges, but yeah, it took about say about 3 to 4 weeks, pretty much around 3.5 weeks for me to get my final, my final kit here. So I hope I'm pretty much stoked and real hype about it, and see how how it all looks and everything. So I'm very particular about my smile. They gave me, these are my veneers, my Instasmile right here, so much as my product, and they give you a little pretty box, a little white box, a little mirror, so you can actually see yourself. And pretty nice. I'm give it to my wife so she can pretty much take it. So here's my Instasmile. They pretty much package it up in a little plastic bag here, and pretty much in disinfecting everything, so they ain't gonna give you no dirty product you can put in your mouth. I mean, if you want, you can wash it off and then you can put it in your mouth. But me going through the impressions with the with the putties and everything, it took me about 4 tries to really get this really working. So the 5th time was a charm, and it took about 3.5 weeks for me to get the final veneers, and here they go. So let's hope for the best and see how it looks. And yeah, so they're pretty much supposed to go in your mouth and just clip in. Once you put them in, they just clip in, and that's pretty much it. So there you go. Yeah, it clips in. It looks pretty good. I mean, you get the little lisp at first, if you can notice, but it takes a while. But you keep them in, it'll take a while you get used to it, but it looks pretty good. Let me hold it up so you can see, but yeah. Looks pretty good. As I can say, Instasmile has done a wonderful job, and I really appreciate you guys for reaching out to me, communicating with me, and making sure I get my impressions right. But with the whole lisp situation, it takes a while for me to get used to it. I'm gonna keep them in and get used to it, but you guys did an excellent job. So I mean, I would recommend Instasmile for people that's really not confident about they smile and appear, being in front of people and being always have to smile and stuff like that. But Instasmile, I really appreciate your help, and the team, the staff. I know I've been calling numerous of times trying to find out how to get this right, and they pretty much work with you each and every step of the way. So Instasmile, thank you guys. And to all the people that's out there that's looking to get Instasmile, that's looking at this review, go in and give it a try, because you really wouldn't like it. So if it's something where you need to be really confident about your smile and want to get your whole confidence level back, this is the job. Once again, thanks, Instasmile. Peace out.